Hi, my name is Hunter Motz from EarthUp, and I know that energy efficiency can seem super overwhelming. So I want to show you where I started my energy efficiency journey with one simple step. It all begins here. Although we were all taught growing up that we should always wash whites on hot and colors on cold, that's actually not true. For almost all washes, you can just do it on cold. And since 75 to 90% of the energy that goes into washing your clothes is to heating the water, this is a really great way to not only save energy, but also save money. It's estimated you can save $66 a year just by switching your washes to cold. Of course, switching to cold washes is only the first step, and there are lots more ways to reduce your energy and increase your energy efficiency on the EarthUp platform.